If there was ever a time to talk to your dad, it's now.
It's too late for that.
It's too late. Baby, now it's too late. No, they really didn't try to make it.
Runt. Just think about it.
Something inside has died and they just can't hide. They just can't make it. Oh, no, 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 no.
Run, I really just want to be alone right now.
Oh! Abby, run! Fish! Look there! Look there! Look there! What is that thing?
We really want to play numbers, ahoy!
Really? But I don't know too much about letters.
Darth Vader's Luke's father?
No, come on, don't cry, we're here for you. We're gonna do whatever it takes to get you back home, okay? Here, blow. Okay, oh, that did... See, guys? He's cool. He was just freaked out, that's all.